Niwaya karenonto bonde tuna ngira kunatia bunge ba Mount Kenya East nende bachumireti na kwata mbaru musonda iredreteweka kwa mbere ya bunge nene kenda utetheria kurona Waamba panderia ndene ya county ya Meru nyontubirane nde kinyamo bunge ya South Shadrack mwethiethirete akiwata mbaru na kwa kwina bata yonto bokwethira bukithia tairwa mona nderia kwethira yekairwa rwano kendo kandana na mbabura bonekete utabarekia no tira ntuba ingi kinyabaitia wankena maitha kwithukira kagita kwa kagita Antoni Kadenya na utwande toi.
Bunge ba kaunti ya Meru, kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi na kaunti ya Embu nibeumire kugwata mbaru muswada kurwa na Waamba bonye Ndithia na ule okuthoma gwa itare akairo ndi bunge ni kulingana mubungu wa South Shadrack Mweti Waamba bonye Ndithia kaunti ya Meru botwikite biashara nene na kwino bataru bwa thirikari gutigira ng'ombe jonde jina alama ya kumenyeka amuna gutetheria kumenya na alama girima ng'ombe ile kwiwa ikuthi.
Cattle rustling is not just a mere activity, but they stand as if it is a business cartel that they market these particular animals, probably even outside the country. Because, Madam Speaker, where you get several animals in large quantities, thousands stolen, and they cannot be traced, it means that there's a market. Encourage livestock identification system in G-tagging, Madam Speaker, a tracking system, a branding, makes it very easy to identify those animals whenever they are found in the market.
Mubungu igamba ng'ombe Patrick Munene na wake watambaru muswadojo aluga thirikari ja kaunti kethiro jijo bataru bunene kire kurona Waamba Ndithia gwitukira kire wikira jingiro barabara ni ja kaunti na kenda kumenya kile gigutonya na kile kuma kaunti jao.
Having county government at the center of this thing will also help us because they have checkpoints all over. You can't enter a county, you can't leave a county without and they make sure they have stops in all the routes that get out of every particular county.
Having a buffer zone between various tribes is also very important, especially between Isiolo and Meru, where cattle rustling is rampant. And we emphasize both to the central government and the county government to overemphasize on identifying these buffer zone areas.
Mugambo jukigwata kwa mbaru ni mubungu wa Embu South John Paul Mwirigi.
The animals from Meru northern grazing land, Madam Speaker, have disappeared. And whenever those animals disappear, they go to market, they are sold, but they cannot be traced, Madam Speaker. If the movement permit will be given, whereby the animal can move maybe from 6 to 6, those animals will be traced.
Mubungu wa North Daud na ule nwa kinyite muswado jo bungeni niele iditete wona wetu kwa ugatigira nyamo jonde Ndithia ni kwandikidwa kenda gutetheria nyamo ino kuma county na kuthi county inge.
If this bill is passed, there will be registration of all animals moving from one county to another. There will be county like what we used to. It's like a number plate for a cow or for a goat.
I call upon the Ministry of Interior to actually step up and put more resources on this issue of livestock theft.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Antoni, Rangi wa Kadenya.